Is Hume Health Band accurate? The Hume Health Band tracks everything from heart rate and HRV to sleep, blood oxygen, recovery, and activity. But the important question is, how accurate is all of that data? After looking at Hume's claims and recent independent testing of the Hume Band 2, the answer is mixed. Some measurements appear useful for everyday health trends, while others should be treated with much more caution. If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The Hume Band 2 uses an optical sensor system with 5 LEDs and 4 photodiodes. According to Hume Health, these sensors continuously collect information including heart rate variability, blood oxygen, skin temperature, sleep, movement, strain, and recovery. Hume says the Band 2 provides improved accuracy and that its technology has undergone laboratory and third-party testing. But manufacturer claims are only part of the picture, so independent comparisons are especially important. For resting heart rate, the results look reasonably encouraging. One recent hands-on reviewer wore the Hume Band 2 alongside Whoop and also compared results with Aura. During resting and overnight measurements, the Hume Band reportedly tracked closely, with resting heart rate readings generally within a small range of the other devices. The bigger limitation appeared during exercise. During a strength training session, the Hume Band recorded a peak heart rate of around 131 beats per minute, while Whoop measured peaks into the 150s. This isn't necessarily unique to Hume. Optical wrist sensors can struggle during weight training and high movement activities because wrist flexion, gripping, and movement can interfere with the optical signal. Another independent wearable review reached a similar overall conclusion. The reviewer found that inaccuracies in heart rate, sleep, and recovery measurements could still occur with the Hume Band 2. Sleep tracking appears more promising for general trends. In one side-by-side test, Hume recorded 7 hours and 35 minutes of sleep while Whoop measured 7 hours and 19 minutes, a difference of around 16 minutes. However, sleep stages require more caution. Like other consumer wrist wearables, Hume estimates stages such as light, deep, and REM sleep using sensor data and algorithms. It isn't directly measuring brain activity like the equipment used in a clinical sleep study. HRV is similar. It can be useful for following your own recovery and wellness trends over days or weeks. But I wouldn't obsess over one individual reading or directly compare every Hume number with a different brand, because companies can use different sampling methods and algorithms. You should be even more careful with proprietary measurements such as recovery, metabolic, or longevity scores. These are calculated insights rather than directly measured biological facts. There's also an important point about blood pressure. Hume's current official Band 2 product information says blood pressure functionality is planned for a future app update and is pending FDA approval. So availability and capabilities may differ depending on when you're watching this video, your region, firmware, and app version. Most importantly, the Hume Band is a consumer wellness device. You shouldn't use its heart rate, SpO2, sleep, blood pressure-related information, or other measurements to diagnose or rule out a medical condition. So, is the Hume Health Band accurate? For resting heart rate, overnight measurements, sleep duration, and longer-term wellness trends, the Hume Band 2 appears potentially useful based on current independent testing. But exercise heart rate, precise sleep stages, recovery calculations, and other algorithm-generated metrics shouldn't automatically be treated as exact. Think of the Hume Band as a tool for identifying patterns in your health and lifestyle, rather than as medical-grade measurement equipment. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. If this video helped you understand Hume Band accuracy,